It's Penny and the professor. Here's Penny.
Hi everybody. So our next video right now is about a new read assessment. What's that, Penny? Good question. Penny wants to know, what's a new read assessment? Well, a new read assessment is like last time when I asked you about what the cover of the book was and what the back of the book was and to show me where the title page was and those kinds of things. We were learning about the parts of a book. Well, now that we know the parts of a book, we know where the front cover is, we know where the back cover is, we know where the title page is, we know all about how a book is set up. Now our new read assessment is going to be more about the book, actually comprehending what's happening in the book. And so for today's assignment, I will be asking you some questions and you'll need to answer them in a video. Your parents or your learning coaches can ask you these questions again. They can ask the same questions and have you answer in a video. And this is an assessment, so I need to see you answering what you know without your parents giving you the answers, but they can ask you the questions again. So here are the questions. The first question is, why is Bojangles famous? What was he doing in the book that made him famous? Why is he famous? Okay, and then you have to answer why you think he's famous. You cannot get the answer from your learning coach, okay? Question number 1, why is Bojangles famous? Question number 2, what did people do when they saw Bojangles dance? Now I can give you some support with that. So if you remember some parts in the book, Bojangles would dance through different areas of town where people were, and it would say things like, he brought pleasure and joy to the people he'd greet. Let's see, it also said things like, let's see, he danced through crowds of laughing kids. So think about what the people were doing. Were they happy? Did it make them smile? Did it make them sad when he danced? Like, how were the people feeling and what were they doing when they saw Bojangles dance? Did they dance with him? So you can answer that how you want, but the question is, what did people do when they saw Bojangles dance? Third question, what do you think paused means on page 17? Now, my friend Penny asked about the word briefly earlier. It says he briefly paused to pet the cat. So what do you think it means when they say briefly paused? What do you think paused means on page 17? And then the last question is, what is one question you have about this text? So you're going to answer all those questions in a video to me, and your last question is going to be a question. You're going to ask a question. So you need to wonder something about this book. What do you wonder? Use the wonder wheel if you need to ask a question about this book. Okay, so number 1, why was Bojangles famous? Number 2, what did people do when they saw Bojangles dance? Number 3, what do you think paused means on page 17? Number 4, what is one question or wonder that you have about the text? That's your new read assessment today. Turn in your videos so I can see how you did and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.